Hey there, it's Jimothy. Today I wanted to check out Briefcase from AppSumo. If you don't know what that is, AppSumo is a website that has very interesting deals on various type of tools and websites and services. So they offer very, very good deals, and it seems like Briefcase is their loyalty program. Let's see from the website. It is a membership. So once you join Briefcase, you get billed quarterly, and it seems like you get access to some items, some tools, just with the membership to Briefcase, according to what I can see here, because I'm just checking the website. I don't have it yet, and I'm considering it, just like you would. So these are the products that they currently offer with Briefcase. Let's check them out one by one. So it's PopLink, which is a lead generation tool, it seems. Add pop-ups to any content you share. So it looks like this looks like a short link, custom URL link shortener. And what we get with Briefcase is 30 total promotions, 50,000 clicks, which is the equivalent, I guess. It's probably a pro. It's probably similar to a pro membership. So this is let's look a bit into detail on what this does. You can prepare your links before you share them on your social media. You can brand your links with your own domain. And you can add pixels and metrics and UTMs. So for Google Tag Manager, that's pretty good. Get some content automatically and link it automatically. And you can have good tracking, it seems. So, yeah, perhaps it doesn't matter to you, but this seems like it's a good one. Now, King Sumo Pro web. Let's look into this. You can build your email list with giveaways. So, okay, that seems like it can be useful for a number of businesses. Mostly it's a business kind of thing, or like if you're an influencer, I guess. And that's okay. So let's look into this. Yeah, this deal is also available on AppSumo if you get the Plus, which is part of Briefcase. So Briefcase gives you all the Plus benefits plus more, which we are looking into. Good way to get some leads and to whatever is our niche. So that's okay. And wait, we get the... Oh yeah, this is the value. Okay, and that's the actual value if you were to get a subscription for that. And afterwards we have Boss Like a Boss, and that's a good name, I guess. Creating a custom booking page and managing invoices and clients. Okay, that's definitely good especially if you're an agency. So this is the subscription that's equivalent for $25 a month, which is okay. There is a video which we are not going to look at right now, but we can look at the website. Yes, more bookings equals to more money. I can agree. And it seems like, let's see the features. Booking page, so you can get... It's like showing a calendar of your own availability, and so you can direct your clients there. They can book a time of their choosing among those you have free, and seems very straightforward, so it should avoid a lot of the annoyance of bouncing back in between dates and finding the right one. And okay, you can embed it. You can put videos and testimonials, custom domain, frequently asked questions. Yeah, okay. Integration to Stripe is really good, PayPal. So customers can just pay for that. And you can integrate with Zoom, Office 365. Okay, so probably Teams as well, I assume. Can look into it, but it seems like this is really good for just a straightforward service. And okay, you get this tier, I suppose. Tasks, that's not the same. I assume it's the yearly plan, so this is what you get, I would say. Sell services and coupon codes, yeah, okay. Seems good if you're running this kind of business that uses this. Now, let's look at the next one, which is website auditor. Okay, sounds interesting. If you have a website, any website needs a SEO analysis and good practice SEO. Okay, so this is the value that's advertised. You get unlimited access to training materials. Good. Unlimited websites. Okay, that's very interesting, especially if you have a number of small websites. Sometimes you have to pay for each website you have to optimize, and it gets really expensive if they're very small websites or just a couple landing pages and all of that, with some content pages. Measure optimization rates, in-app optimization, and the incredible roadmap. I'm not sure about that because, yeah, that doesn't mean anything to me, but all of the rest seems okay. Now, what does that do? Okay, so the spider tells you up front how it's doing, and if there is anything you have to check out. Website audit sounds good. I guess this is standard. You don't even have to do that usually, because if you have a website, you should have these already. That's interesting. Set structure, okay. In-app content, okay. These are all very good things that you should already be doing, but if you're not doing, this is very good. And then you have the training. It said, yes. So that's also very good for best practices. Now, if I want to check the price, yes. So you got the professional, I guess. 49 a month. Okay, no, that's not what you get. It says free download, but I'm assuming it's not free. So compare edition. Okay, now okay, yeah, I assume you get something even more than this because you get the training and all of that. But this seems like it could be a good product. Of course, you will have to check the reviews and all of that. But since it's inside the membership, it's just probably even better to try it out and see how it feels. Now, the last two items, social media automation. So this is Instagram scheduling. This seems only working for Instagram, and it's okay. The value is good. Start plan. There is no documentation of each. There is nothing. Like literally, I don't see anything here. Okay, this is. I don't like when I see those websites because it doesn't tell me anything. How can I even want to use my time to try it out if I don't know what it does? Luckily, there is something here that tells us what it does at least. So, lets you manage Instagram for your clients, businesses, or personal accounts from desktop. Okay, that's really good because I am not a very mobile person. I like to use my desktop, and Instagram that way doesn't really work. Post directly from your computer, no need to push anything on your phone. Okay, that sounds good. Also very important for agencies and all of that because you handle multiple profiles, multiple clients, and it's a mess to handle that on your mobile phone. So on your plan, you have the first comment feature, so you can, have hashtags. Unlimited photo and video scheduling, that's really good. Unlimited amount of editors, okay, that's really important for agencies. And 1 or 2 accounts. So just 2 accounts, I guess. one or two. I don't know what that means. So I'm guessing you can handle 2 Instagram accounts. I'm assuming that's what it means. And it could be good. I don't know. We will have to check it out afterwards. Now for the last remaining one, missing letter. What does this do? And I'm assuming doesn't have an Instagram because they have added this. It would be redundant if missing letter had it. Let's look for that. Okay, this looks targeted to blogs. So that missing letter creates strategic, automated social media campaigns that drive traffic for an entire year. Just review their pre-generated social posts and approve the ones you like. Okay, and you have 12 months just for one blog post. You can link unlimited sites to 25 total social profiles. So the pricing is on the social profiles and on the websites, and 25 is a good amount. Allows you to handle quite a lot of websites. 1 team member, good. 10 campaigns a week per website. That's really on unlimited websites. That's a lot of campaigns you could do. So it's not unlimited, but it would be really difficult to get to the limit. Send up people to review and start a campaign for our content. Really good if you have an established blog and you want to get serious about social, I suppose. The value is okay. This is impressive. And let's take a quick glance at the website itself, just to have a rough understanding of how it works. But this really sounds like something worth trying if you have a blog, because I'm assuming it works best for blogs. But let's see. You need to get traffic. Social media takes a lot of time. That's okay. That's easy to see. If you have a website, you know that takes time to post on social media. And then organic reach is always yes. So you don't really have much traffic on your website. That's true. So stop losing free traffic and save time. That makes sense. Now, what does this do? You get automatic detection for your posts, and it will automatically create your campaign. You can tweak it and then share it to linked profiles on each website. So this is not directed to e-commerces, not so much. It's pretty much blogs and content creation. So this is how to take your content creation to the social media in an automatic manner. So content templates, good. Schedule templates, medium, if you use that. Approval, shorteners, so that means also statistics. Bubble themes, and okay. Seems really interesting, but it's not all of social media. It's only if you have a blog. So this is more about getting traffic to your blog rather than a social media manager that does everything for you, like other kind of software. So it can integrate to them, most likely. So it's probably it's very focused, and it seems to be doing that very well. Also, what we get is much more than the pro plan. We get really a big plan, like an agency plan that's not even sold on the website. So, okay. Because it said 25 profiles over 8 and unlimited sources instead of just 3. So that's really a much better plan. Of course, it's worth more, but yeah, this is really, 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 all by itself, this would be a good deal already, seems like. I'm going to try it out later, but so you get all of this once you subscribe to Briefcase, it seems. Now, do you get anything else? Let's go, start here. So, okay, then there is a video. Let's go to the FAQs. So the pricing, how much does it cost? $147 quarterly. Okay, and you get all of the products we've seen and 10% off any AppSumo purchase if you link your account. That's the same benefits to AppSumo Plus, which we're going to see in a second. And the 4-use coupon issued quarterly to purchase items. So this is another big deal. And those are the featured tools. You get access, okay. And those are all the items you can get access to. Now, the coupons, you get 4 of those. You can apply 1 coupon per transaction, so it doesn't matter how many deals you stack on AppSumo. You can only use 1 coupon. And it has a value of up to $49, which means if you get an AppSumo deal that's worth $39 and you spend 1 coupon, you're losing out on the $10 because you don't get the change of a coupon. Okay, so you can stack it to regular payments if the item exceeds the value, and they're automatically issued on your account at the start of each billing cycle. So you get 4 coupons per billing cycle, so you get a value of $50, and that's so if you buy items from AppSumo only in the coupons themselves without anything else, you get more out of what you spend, which makes this a really great deal without even counting the AppSumo Plus and the items that we've just briefly seen. And what is the Plus membership? Now, that's usually $100 per year, but you get that in the briefcase. So the value is this. And you get 10% off any purchases, which is good in the AppSumo. You get the same King Sumo giveaway, which is on the briefcase anyway. And you get exclusive and access to deals, which is early access, late access, and also select deals. So that's also a perk. And this is good if you use a lot of AppSumo. So basically, Briefcase seems really, really good if you tend to get stuff from AppSumo. You get chips that are worth more than the membership itself. You get free products that seem like they could be really, really good, such as this. This is right now when I'm recording it. I'm assuming it changes over time. And then you get all of the benefits from the Plus membership, which is all good. So I would say at first glance, this is worth getting. I'll give it a shot, and I'll have another video to check out after how it is and to see whether it's just as good as it seems or if there are any caveats afterwards.